Hi guys, welcome back to Stranger Times. So today's video is some NASA images from Mars and just some oddities and things that look out of place that I've picked up. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this one, guys. If you're not already subscribed, then please do hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video. So what we're looking for is straight lines, right angles, excuse me, and anything that just looks artificially made or anything that just looks out of place. I'm not saying that it is going to be artificially made, but I'm just showing things that to me look out of place, like what you're seeing here on screen, and just to the left of it, the thinner piece of rock, or would be rock. There we go, yep. And then to the left, lots more. Some beautiful right angles there. It's not what you would expect to see, but it is another planet. It is Mars. See, you never can tell with Mars. But yeah, lots of right angles and straight edges. So I'm just gonna let this play through and I'll comment when we get to something interesting. Just more right angles there. This one's quite interesting. And just above where the cursor is now, you can see like a curved and rounded off edge, and just to the right of that you can see the right angle square box type thing. There we go. That's pretty fantastic, if you ask me. I don't think it's to do with the shading for it to look like that. I think that's actually what it looks like. But again, the right angles are fantastic. It does make you think. And then this little one here looks like an archway or a doorway. Again, it's going to be tiny. It's going to be I think about 19 centimeters tall, but that one was featured in the media a couple of years ago, and this one is quite fantastic, really. I've never seen anything like that before. Crazy looking. Again, guys, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Always love to hear what you guys have got to say. That, to me, the first thing that comes into my mind is a pile of bones. I don't think it's gonna be, but that's my first thought that comes into my head. But again, it could just be where the rocks eroded away, or it could be something else entirely. What do you guys think? Again, this one just looks odd, almost like carved. Looks like a calf's head or a cow's head. It really does look like a cow's head. Again, some more oblong blocks. This looks carved. Lots of anomalies in these pictures. Don't need to say anything about that one. It's like catchphrase, say what you see. Again, some more brick-like, very smooth on the top. Again, amazing right angles. It's crazy with the amount of straight edges and right angles and smooth surfaces that you see. Almost like paving slabs. Again, it just looks odd. Look, you know, it doesn't look like it should be there. Again, I'm not saying, you know, any of these things are artificially made. I'm just showing you what I find. This one here, a lot of people think it's some sort of body, some sort of alien body or Martian body. But again, guys, let me know what you think. That's quite an interesting one. Half circular pot of some sort, maybe. Odd looking. That looks like a petrified bottle to me. And this last one here just looks quite metallic. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button and the notifications, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers.